I'm going to show you real quick how to enable social login in your application. Find your application at license and ticket, and you see these 6 fields: Facebook, client ID, and client secret, and so on, Google and Microsoft. They are all empty. We need to find to create these values. You see all these providers have their own way to allow us to use their services. When we try to log into our application now, it says there are no external authentication services configured. So let's head over to Google first. You may need to sign up for being a Google developer. Once you are, you create a new client ID. It's a web application. You paste in the URL of the application. And authorize the redirect is the URL, and this is important: sign in Google, create client ID, and then it thinks about it for a second and comes back with a client ID. We grab that one and paste it into Google client ID, and the client secret, and we paste it there. Alright, then we send settings and restart our application. And we can see in the results that it went okay. So we F5 our application, and now when we log in, we get the Google button. Okay, we're requested to give an email address as the local username for our application, what we're going to keep in our database. So I'm going to add my email there and register like that. If I log off, it's really easy to log in with the social login because the cookie is still on in the browser. Heading over to Facebook website, I'm gonna paste in the name from the application. I'm gonna call it that. Create new, and it's a category: education. That's what we do here, educate ourselves. And we're waiting for Facebook. Right, and we're sort of done. I think finished, yeah. My apps, hit that, and you will find your app, newly added app, and you have the app ID. Head over to license and ticket, Facebook client ID, and okay, you have to re-enter the password. App secret, right, and paste that one in. Fine. And we send the settings and restart it. Oops, something went wrong. This might happen if your application is busy with something just when you try to restart it. We try again. This time it worked just fine. Logging off and logging in. Now the Facebook button is there. Okay, we have to accept that our application are going to use our identity. Gonna have another email address since they need to be unique in our application. Okay, and it's really quick since the cookie is saved. Last one, Microsoft. Okay, this is in Swedish. I don't know why they always need to. Okay, I'm gonna set the program name. I'm gonna change the language to English. I accept. And what does it want? Choose API settings if you want to configure the application. Yes, please. And here we write the URL and sign in Microsoft. And once we have done that, we can go to the app settings, and we have the client ID that we paste in, and the client secret that we paste in there. Save, send settings, and we start application. And that went fine. Save, go back to the application and F5 it, and now log off, log in, and we have the Microsoft button, and we see the live login thing, and it asks should this be okay, and we say yes, and I choose a yet unique email address and register, and I'm logged in with Microsoft. Okay, so there is no cookie on this one. Okay, that's how it works. Until next time, and you should probably subscribe to these to not miss out. Thank you. Bye.